Do you want to know how you can request for a demo in Elsa Speak? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can request a demo for a product in Elsa Speak. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and go to elsaspeak.com. Now, what you need to do is select one of these. So there are two products, English for companies and English for English. Go ahead and tap on English for schools, and then you can see that there is a request for demo option on the top right hand side of your screen. Go ahead and choose request for demo. It will lead you to this place where you can write down your first name, your last name, your work email, your phone number, your job title, school name, school size, expected number of students, detail of your inquiry. Then click request a demo. This way you can request for a demo in Elsa Speak. Let me show it to you once again. What you need to do is go to Elsa Speak and click on English for schools or English for companies. Now you can see that there is a request a demo in the middle of the screen and over here too. So tap on it and it will lead you to this section where you can write down your first name, last name, work email, number of learners, phone number, company name, type of industry, and the request details. After that, click submit. This way you can get a demo for company or for school accounts. I hope this video was helpful for you. Still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.